How are you? I'm here once again with a new video. What's the video about? Okay, how many of you just love to learn online? If you love to online, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to give you some information about some free online learning platform from you can learn several courses, several things, and use it to develop your skill very perfectly. So what's that? I am going to show you three websites or three mobile apps. You can say if you use your phone, by using these websites, you can learn several things, you can learn several cool stuffs and everything. So what's that? I'm going to show you, I'm going to discuss about you, but before that, I'm requesting you, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so you can get the videos at the very first. And if you like the video, please share and spread it. So what's that? So first of all, the best learning platform that I've searched, I've found so far is Coursera. Coursera is a free open source online learning platform from where you can choose several courses, you can enroll several courses, and the course is designed in weekly basis. You can listen to the videos, you can complete the assignments and whatever so on, and after completing the course you can achieve a certificate from Coursera. So several courses from several well-renowned universities including Stanford, MIT will offer you a certificate from this platform. So it's a very good platform. So the most important thing is that you can get the financial aid if you cannot afford to pay the tuition fees in that platform. So I have completed several courses including Python, including machine learning and whatever soever, and have enrolled several courses including graphic design, game development, everything. So I think this platform will help you much to gain a good knowledge and gain a certificate that will help you to build your career. The next one is edX online learning platform. So it's some kind of Coursera, but the enrollment is, I think I found it's some kind of complex than Coursera. So Coursera is much more simpler than edX. It offers same courses and same kind of cool stuff, kind of cool things that you can learn and you can build a career. So this platform is well renowned and it will help you much, I think. The third one is the Udemy online learning platform. So it's I put it in the third category because it will offer courses, but it's kind of not that level much like Coursera or edX, but it is very good to learn several cool things, several cool stuffs. So these three websites or these three Android apps, if you can browse the Google Play Store, you can get their Android app. And it's very handy if you don't have the PC, and if you have the mobile phone, if you cannot afford the PC. So it's a very important thing, and it's a very lovely thing that you can find it from there. So I think that this video will help you much if you are a good seeker of learning online. If you want to learn freely from this website, then you can find this video very cool. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe us, and don't forget to like my channel and like this video. Hopefully in the next video will come with a new resource and new information that will help you very much. Thanks for watching the video, and thanks for being